Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a hooded infinity scarf. The written pattern is available on my website. I will put the link in the description below. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button. This way you will receive notifications when I upload new free patterns. For this pattern you will need 2 balls of lion brand touch of alpaca yarn and crochet hook size 8 mm. We will start with a slip knot and leave a long tail end for sewing later. In row 1 we will make 115 foundation half double crochet and I will now show you how to make them. Chain 3, yarn over, insert your hook in the first chain and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through one loop which counts as your first chain, yarn over and pull through all loops. This counts as your half double crochet. As you can see, we've now made a chain and half double crochet at the same time. For the next stitch, we are going to insert a hook in the chain that we just created, then pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through all. Repeat this till you have a total of 115 foundation half double crochet. If you really can't do the foundation half double crochet, you can also chain 117, work a half double crochet in the third chain from the hook and each chain across. Make sure you have a total of 115 half double crochet. At the end we will turn our work. In row 2 we will chain 2, work a half double crochet in the third loop in each stitch across. At the end we turn our work. Repeat row 2 until row 12 or until your height measures 6 inches. We will now continue with the hoodie. In row 13 we will chain 2, work a half double crochet in the third loop in the next 44 stitches. We will leave the remaining stitches unworked and turn our work. In row 14, work a half double crochet in the third loop in each stitch across. At the end we turn our work. Repeat row 14 until row 32 or until the hoodie measures 18 inches. I will see you at the end. Now fold the scarf and work both ends together with a tapestry needle. Then fold the rectangle in half, this will be your hoodie, and work the sides of the hoodie together with slip stitches. I will quickly show you how to do this. Insert your hook in the loop facing you and the loop furthest away from you. Then pull through all loops on your hook. Now we are going to work on the brim for the hoodie. Attach the yarn in the first stitch and work 3 single crochet stitches in every 2 rows. It doesn't really matter where you insert your hook, just try to find a stitch that feels good and try to keep it consistent. Make sure you have a total of 60 stitches at the end of row 1. At the end we turn our work. In row 2 we will chain 2 and work a half double crochet in each stitch across. At the end we turn our work. In row 3 we will chain 2 and work a half double crochet in the front loop only in each stitch across. At the end we turn our work. In row 4 we will chain 2 and work a half double crochet in the third loop in each stitch across. At the end we turn our work. And finally, row 5 we will chain 2, work a half double crochet in the front loop only in each stitch across. Fasten off and leave a long tail end for sewing. Now use your tail end and a tapestry needle to sew both sides of the brim onto the scarf. And that's it. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which yarn and colors you are going to use. Hope to see you next time. Bye!